All right, so next, guys, I want to talk about InvestorLift and why I genuinely believe that it may be the best disposition company in America, guys. I got to tell y'all about this. InvestorLift has been rocking and rolling like crazy for us personally recently. It's been really, really good for us. We've actually allowed a couple other people that I'm not going to say their names. You all would definitely know who I'm talking about. I've allowed them into our system as well, and they've been closing some deals. So salute to my guys. As well. But guys, man, InvestorLift has been working out really, really nicely. If you don't know about InvestorLift, it's basically kind of like an MLS for off-market wholesale deals. Okay, and basically, when you have InvestorLift, you've got access to over 3.6 million and counting cash buyers all throughout America. And they've got buyers for a variety of different situations, whether it's a mobile home, whether you need hedge funds, you need people that buy land or commercial properties, whatever it may be. Trust me, InvestorLift is going to have buyers for those types of properties inside of the system. And it works really, really nice. They've got this thing called God mode inside of there where you can kind of really hone in and be able to see who's buying what in a given market. I really, really like that. I did make an entire review video talking about InvestorLift, but I just wanted to remind some of you all who may not have seen the video, definitely check out InvestorLift. And salute to the guys over there at InvestorLift as well. If you use my promo code Wholesale Coach VIP at get.investorlift.com, you're going to be able to get 10% off your order. It is pretty expensive. I'm not going to lie to you. So that 10% that's a big chunk of the price or whatever. That's going to knock off a lot of money for you. So definitely check out InvestorLift. Use that code Wholesale Coach VIP. Treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself. Get access to over 3.6 million buyers nationwide. And another part of the reason why I wanted to bring this up in this podcast is because one of the things that I've been biggest on my YouTube channel is having integrity, actually going out and doing it the right way. Like, even though we're at all-time lows in terms of inventory right now, I still don't think that it's okay to just call up sellers and literally lie to them and just tell them, hey, I'm going to buy your property, or I'm working with investors that are going to buy your property. Guys, if you haven't actually established any relationship with investors out here, you're lying. You're literally committing fraud, right? So I'm usually telling people, go out there, establish some relationships with some buyers first, so you're not literally on the phone lying to someone's grandmother, okay? Like, it just seems so illegitimate. Like, why come out here with very little, if any, integrity? And integrity is the whole game, man. So we really got to hold ourselves to a higher standard. That's why we're seeing laws being passed all throughout the nation trying to stop wholesalers from what they're doing out here, committing fraud, being scandalous, lying to people, finessing people about their houses. Okay, so long story short, InvestorLift is going to allow you to not have to lie to people. Basically, you legitimately will have access to over 3.6 million buyers nationwide. So when you call people like, hey, John, I'm working with investors, I'm going to buy a house, or whatever it may be, you're actually telling the truth, right? You're not lying. Like, these people are actively buying properties all throughout the nation, and you have access to them once and for all. So like I said, guys, treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself. Don't get out here coming out with less integrity, coming out like running your business like a bandit or something like that or whatever. Get out here, do it the right way. Get yourself the buyers on deck. Don't lie to Miss Johnson telling her that you're going to buy her property. And what happens when she needs that liver surgery? She believes that you're actually going to be able to help her out. She entrusts you. And then you're just like, oh, well, shit, I could just cancel the contract. It's all good. And then you cancel and Miss Johnson dies because she couldn't get the liver surgery. Do you understand like the potential karma ramifications of going out there lying to people? That's why I want y'all to go out there, do it the right way, get your buyers in advance and do it the right way. Grab InvestorLift, definitely check it out for yourself. They've definitely got some good promo information on their website, so you can really check it out for yourself. I'll have the links for it down below. But once again, I'll say, if you want to get 10% off your order over there, definitely use the code Wholesale Coach VIP. All right.